If you're building a home theater in 2026, a 4K ultra short throw projector can completely transform your space. These laser TVs can deliver massive screen sizes, stunning picture quality, and cinematic sound, all without needing a huge room. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K ultra short throw projectors to help you build your own home movie theater. So stick around to see which one is right for your setup. As always, you can find the best deals and links in the description below. Now, let's get started. On number 5, we have the XGIMI Aura 2. This is a great starting point if you're getting into ultra short throw projectors and want something that feels simple and modern without overcomplicating things. What stands out first is how easy it is to live with. Setup is quick, the interface is smooth, and everything feels very user-friendly right out of the box. You don't need to spend hours tweaking settings just to get a decent image. It's pretty much ready to go, which is something a lot of people will appreciate. In terms of picture quality, it delivers a solid 4K experience for everyday viewing. Colors look vibrant and brightness is good enough for most living room environments, especially if you're watching at night or with controlled lighting. For movies, YouTube, or casual streaming, it does a really respectable job. The built-in speakers are another highlight. For a projector in this category, the audio is surprisingly full and clear, which means you can get started without immediately needing an external sound system. That said, when you compare it to higher-end models on this list, you'll notice the difference in contrast and black levels. Dark scenes don't have the same depth, and it's not quite as cinematic overall. But if you want a clean, easy-to-use, ultra-short throw projector that delivers a big screen experience without too much hassle, the XGIMI Aura 2 is a very solid entry point. Number 4. AWOL Vision LTV 3000-Pro. This one is built for people who want that bold, big screen impact the moment they turn it on. The first thing you notice is the brightness. This projector gets seriously bright, which makes a huge difference if you're not always watching in a fully dark room. Daytime viewing, lights on, or even a living room setup, it still manages to produce a punchy, vibrant image that doesn't feel washed out. Thanks to its triple laser system, everything looks vivid and eye-catching, whether you're watching movies, sports, or even gaming. HDR content also benefits here, with highlights that really pop and give scenes more depth. Where it gets even better is on large screens. If you're planning to go big, 100 inches or more, the LTV 3000-Pro handles it effortlessly. The image stays bright and engaging, which is exactly what you want from a true home theater centerpiece. It also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, which helps improve contrast and overall picture quality across different types of content. So whether you're streaming from Netflix or watching high-quality Blu-rays, it adapts well. Now, compared to the more cinematic-focused models higher on this list, the tuning here leans slightly toward brightness and vibrancy, rather than deep, film-like contrast. But if your priority is a powerful, bright, and visually striking image that works well in real-world environments, the AWOL Vision LTV 3000-Pro is an excellent choice. At number 3, NexiGo Aurora Pro. This is one of those projectors that really focuses on delivering a true cinematic experience, especially if you enjoy watching movies in a darker room. What immediately stands out here is the contrast. Compared to many other ultra-short throw projectors, the Aurora Pro does a much better job with black levels, which makes a huge difference when you're watching films. Dark scenes actually look deep instead of washed out, and that alone gives the image a more immersive, theater-like feel. It also supports Dolby Vision, which is still not that common in this category. When you're streaming high-quality content, you'll notice better highlight detail, improved color accuracy, and overall more dynamic visuals. It just feels more refined compared to standard HDR performance. Now, how about the color performance? The image looks balanced and natural, not overly saturated, which works really well for movies and long viewing sessions. It's the kind of projector that feels tuned for people who actually care about how films are supposed to look. Brightness is solid, though not the highest on this list. It performs best in controlled lighting, so you'll get the most out of it in a dim or dark room rather than a bright living space. Overall, the NexiGo Aurora Pro is a fantastic choice if your priority is cinematic image quality. It may not be the brightest option, but when it comes to contrast, detail, and movie performance, it really stands out. Number 2, we have the Formovie Cinema Edge. This is a projector that feels like a refined upgrade for anyone chasing that true home theater experience with a modern edge. What stands out right away is how balanced the image looks. Colors feel natural and well-tuned, not overly saturated, which makes movies more enjoyable over longer sessions. Skin tones, shadows, and highlights all come through cleanly, giving the picture a more realistic and cinematic feel. It also supports Dolby Vision, and that's where the cinema edge really starts to shine. With the right content, you'll notice better contrast, improved detail in both bright and dark scenes, and a more immersive overall image. It handles dynamic scenes smoothly, which makes a big difference when you're watching action movies or high-quality streaming content. Black levels are solid too, helping darker scenes look more detailed instead of washed out. While it's not the brightest projector in this lineup, it performs best in controlled lighting, which is exactly how most home theater setups are used. Whether you're watching movies, series, or even casual gaming, the image quality stays reliable and easy on the eyes. Overall, the Formovie Cinema Edge is a great choice if you want a cinematic, well-balanced viewing experience without stepping into the absolute top-end price range. On number 1, Hisense PX3-Pro. This is the kind of projector that feels like a complete package the moment you start using it, and it's a big reason why it stands at the top of this list. What really sets it apart is how well it balances everything. You're getting a modern triple laser system that delivers impressive brightness, but at the same time, it doesn't sacrifice contrast or color accuracy. The image looks vibrant when it needs to, but still maintains depth and detail in darker scenes, which is exactly what you want for a proper home theater setup. It also supports Dolby Vision and IMAX Enhanced, which adds another layer of immersion when you're watching high-quality content. Whether it's movies, series, or even live sports, the picture feels dynamic and engaging without looking overprocessed. Another thing you'll notice is how versatile it is. It performs well in both dim and moderately lit environments, making it more flexible compared to projectors that only shine in dark rooms. Pair it with a good ALR screen, and you can get a really impressive viewing experience even during the day. The overall user experience is also very polished. From setup to daily use, everything feels smooth and refined, which makes it easy to integrate into your home setup. At the end of the day, the Hisense PX3-Pro delivers where it matters most: excellent image quality, strong feature support, and reliable performance, making it the best 4K ultra-short throw projector you can get in 2026.